Hi there everyone, welcome back to Engineering with Pritam. In this video, we will talk about Swept Blend. So far, we have covered all the tool inside shapes category. We started with extrude, revolve, and then we also saw the different variants of this and then how we can utilize these tools not only to add material but to remove material as well. We also saw sweep, helical sweep, variable section sweep, volume sweep, blend, rotational blend, and their variants. If you are visiting this channel for the first time and would like to learn PTC Creo from start, then I would suggest you to check out our Creo Parametric series where we have covered PTC Creo Parametric from very basic. And if you find it useful, then I would suggest you to do like and subscribe to Engineering with Pritam. Now let's come back to our today's topic, which is Swept Blend or the last tool of shape category. Now, let me actually create some op sections so that I can show you. Even before section, let me also create a trajectory. So trajectory can be spline, which is continuous curvature, or it can be made up of line or arc. Just to make things more interesting, here I have created this trajectory made up of spline. Now what I will be doing here is I will create few points here in this trajectory, and with the help of these points, what I can do is I can create plane that pass through this point and is parallel to this trajectory. Let's do here as well, and we need to create two more. Okay, so it passes through this point and this line, but it is through, but I want this to be normal. Okay, and I can actually hide these default planes. Now let's create our last plane. And there we go, guys. We have created these 5 planes that passes through this trajectory and is normal to the point. Now let's start plotting the sketches. Okay, so sometime it can be a very mind-boggling. So in that scenario, we can take a reference of the trajectory and we can rotate it slightly, because it is really difficult to work when the sketching plane is parallel to screen. Now here I'm gonna plot, let's say, rectangle. Okay, so in this way I will quickly create sketches in all the planes. So now this one is another plane, and let me again take a reference here. Again, let me plot another sketch. Now this is the plane. Let's plot sketch here as well, and I'm gonna take a reference as this point, which will basically help me. And just to expedite, guys, I'm creating these sketches quickly. Obviously we can control and we can place proper value there. Again, let me click on reference and select this point. Now again I'm gonna plot this rectangle, and make sure, guys, you keep equal number of vertices so that you do not need to face any challenge or any failure. Even if, let's say, there is a circle, you can divide circle to 4 vertices that we have seen in case of blend tool. Okay, so now here we can see we have trajectory and we have got these different shapes. And as the name suggests, this tool is a kind of combination of sweep and blend. Blend, as we know that blend tool help us to form a complex feature or geometry using different sketches of different sizes, provided the number of vertices need to be equal. In case of sweep tool, we generally have a cross section that we generally sweep across a trajectory. But the beauty of swept blend is it have got capability of both. So it have got capability of a sweep profile or trajectory, and power of blend that let us vary the profile or the shape at different distance or value. Now I think we have completed all the prerequisite of swept blend. Now let's click on swept blend, and now let's click on trajectory. So this is my trajectory, and again it depends on you. You can choose any start point. Now let's click on section, and just like blend, we also can see here we have got sketch section and selected section. So in this case I would like to go with selected section. Now let me choose my first section. Let's click insert, second section, insert, third section, insert, fourth section, insert, and then the last section. Okay, and then obviously at any point you would like to make some adjustment. For example, here we can do that. For example, you would like to connect this vertex with this one, you can actually rotate it like this. Now we need to adjust this one as well. Let's click on section 3, adjust, section 4, adjust, and the last section, adjust. And actually I like this selected section, especially in that case when you are new, because obviously, you know, if you're going to choose this sketch section and if you have made any mistake, you need to create all these sketches from scratch. So that will be really challenging, but at the same time rewarding as well, because then you will not see too many of features being added in your feature tree. But obviously there is a workaround. You can simply select all these and can create a group. So in this way guys, we can create a fairly complicated feature or geometry using swept blend tool. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another tool. Till then, you take care and bye bye.